Welcome to Sweet Sorcery. Today we're going to be making double chocolate chip cookies. Now if you're a chocoholic like I am, you're going to love these. It'll take approximately 15 minutes to prepare, and this recipe will make 25 cookies. You can find the written recipe on our website, sweet-sorcery.com. There is a link in the description box below. Now gather together your ingredients so you can follow along with me. In a large mixing bowl, add the softened butter, brown sugar and caster sugar. Cream them together until light and fluffy. You will need to scrape down the sides occasionally to ensure it's mixed through properly. Add in the egg and vanilla. I prefer to use vanilla paste as it has a stronger flavour, but vanilla essence works just as well. Sift in the flour and cocoa powder. Then add in the white chocolate chips. Mix them until all the ingredients are moistened. This is quite a thick mixture, so you will get a good arm workout. Then roll tablespoons of the cookie mix onto a lined tray, leaving just enough space for them to spread a little during baking. Press down lightly with a fork and bake them off at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once out of the oven, allow the cookies to cool completely on the baking tray before serving them up. So how'd you go? Why not share a picture of your cookies using the links in the description box or leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.